feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know.
Step one is an everything shower, of course. We want to start off fresh and clean, shaved and exfoliated, smelling so good. So I'm gonna go pick up my clothes and then I'm gonna head to the shower. So I'm gonna be showing you all the products I'm gonna be using in the shower. First, always this Dove bar soap. It's my favorite for the first cleanse. I just use it, you know, take my washcloth and, you know, do what I gotta do. This one's good, and so is the unscented one. It gets you super clean and makes you feel super clean as well. For exfoliating, I don't have a scrub. I finished mine, but I'm gonna use this little exfoliating brush. These are really good. It gets the job done very well. For body wash, I'm gonna be using this OGX Coconut Coffee Body Scrub and Wash. It doesn't really scrub at all. It smells really good. I've seen this all over TikTok. I'm sure you guys have seen it already. For shaving, I go back and forth with razors. I never have a specific brand or type that I use. But this week, these are the razors we got. They do the job. Takes a little longer, but they do the job because they're only 2 blades. So that's my little in-shower routine. Okay guys, so I just got done in the shower and I did my out of shower routine as well. So I'm going to show you guys everything I used. Okay, so first I used this moisturizing lotion all over my body. Then I used the baby oil because, you know, to lock it in. But I mixed the baby oil with this Body Shop lotion. It's the mango one. I think this smells so good. I just mix these together and then rub it over my whole body. Again, some days I'll use a vanilla lotion, or I'll use the Sol de Janeiro lotion, the pink, not the pink, the reddish one. And yeah, that's just what I did today. I'm just gonna put a little bit of product to my hair, not finger coil it or anything, and then just let it dry. Okay guys, so now I'm about to do my brows. They're not looking good at all. These are the 3 things I'm gonna use for my brows. So first, oh, and this. I'm gonna take this bully, brush them up. Now I'm gonna start shaving underneath. First eyebrow is as good as it's gonna get because, again, like I said in my other video, I'm scared to do anything to my eyebrows. Okay, I just did that one way quicker. My eyebrows are precious to me, so I don't want them gone. It's officially my favorite time, lash time. These lashes are way more natural than the other ones I used. These are just gonna make my lashes look fuller, not give it length. So that's fine. That's the only lashes I have right now. We're gonna work with it. Step 1, we brush our lashes. Now we curl. Now we apply. You cannot see that. First eye finished. So the lashes and the brows are finished. Step number 4, nails. My hands are looking really crusty. I'm gonna do something plain and simple, so I'm probably gonna do this. But I don't know, we'll see. This is one of the nails I use. They are square. I'm gonna use this paint color. Okay, I changed my mind. So we're going almond and blue. I did not, in fact, do blue. I did like this pinkish purplish color. I could not make up my mind. If you do your nails, I know you can relate. Unless you're just not indecisive. I'm always indecisive. It's actually a problem and I need to stop. But, you know, we're working on it. Okay guys, so I just finished my nails. This is what they look like. Super cute. I love the color. Okay guys, so the last thing I need to do in this video is my skincare. And then we have completed everything on the maintenance checklist. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.